This is actually a trade I'm going to share with you later in the video. So I entered this trade on the day that the arrow is pointing up, and I exited on the day that this arrow is pointing down. But we'll get to that trade a little bit later. Here's the process I went through before I did this trade in CME. So for me, it all starts with a daily time frame. So looking at our daily chart here, as you see here, the little D up top here. And the question I would ask myself if I was only using moving averages to determine entry and exit would be, is CME trading above that green 50 moving average if I'm taking a bullish trade? And that was the type of trade I was doing here, a bullish trade. So I see here that it is trading above both the green 50 and red 200 moving average on this daily chart. Then I switch over to the weekly chart. I ask myself the same thing. Is it trading above the green 50 and red 200 moving average? And the answer again is yes. So that's looking good. Overall, the direction of the trend of CME appears to be up in both of these time frames. Now, of course, there are ups and downs in these candlesticks. In this case, weekly, and here we see daily. So there are ups and downs. Remember, I like to compare stock charts like waves in the ocean. They go up and down. They go up and they go down. But the question is the tide coming in, or overall is the water getting higher, or is the tide going out, or the water's getting lower? But as you see here on this daily chart, overall the tide was coming in, the water was getting higher, or CME was in a nice uptrend. We could tell that because it was mostly trading above this green 50 moving average. It was also trading well above this red exponential moving average on this daily time frame. So that's two time frames I check, the daily and the weekly. I then look at the hourly. What's going on in the hourly? So now I've switched this chart to the hourly chart of CME. Remember this yellow up arrow? It's when I entered this trade. What was CME doing on this hourly chart? Was it in an uptrend or a downtrend? But as you can see, it was trading above both the green 50 and the red 200 moving average. So again, CME looked bullish. It looked like it was going to head up in the near future. And usually just to finish things off, I like to check the 15-minute time frame chart. And here you see that even on that 15-minute time frame, CME was trading above both the green 50 and red 200 exponential moving average on this 15-minute time frame. So really, this is one of those rare situations where everything lined up. Every time frame was telling me that CME was in a bullish uptrend. So my direction and trend all pointed up like a rocket. We were cleared for takeoff.